Obtaining your Transunion credit report is a vital step in managing your financial health. Here's a guide on how to get it. Visit Transunion's official website. Start by visiting the official Transunion website to ensure security and authenticity. Navigate to Credit Report section. Look for the section related to credit reports. It might be labeled as Get Your Credit Report or similar. Choose the type of report. Select the type of report you need, individual or company. Individual reports are for personal credit histories, while company reports are for businesses. Provide personal information. Fill out a form with personal details such as your name, date of birth, PAN card number, email address, and mobile number. Ensure the information is accurate. Verify your identity. Transunion may require additional information to verify your identity, such as loan account details or credit card information. View and download your report. Once your identity is verified, you can view your Transunion credit report online. You may also have the option to download it for offline reference. Review your report. Take the time to review your credit report thoroughly, checking for any errors or discrepancies.